We're at Goals House here at New York City's Climate Week, and we're hosting a welcome reception to kind of bring everybody together for the start to create really positive energy and momentum and ensure that we're all looking for action, partnerships, and strong outcomes from the week.
Financial inclusion and digital inclusion is a priority for Mastercard because digital inclusion as sort of the fundamental enabler to give people access to the basic necessities that helps them not just gain access to critical services, but to do so in a more efficient manner, in a way that gives them safety and security.
Financial inclusion is actually an incredible tool to help create climate resilience and adaptation. It might not be something that you think of right from the start, but it's absolutely clear. Once you're connected to the digital financial economy, if you're a small business, you can access insurance, loans, other products of a financial nature that could help you during a climate crisis.
Climate change is a threat to us all, but for those who are in the poorest communities, they're really vulnerable to shocks, extreme weather events, even the spread of disease. And therefore, it's really important that we prioritize building financial inclusion for those communities so that when those shocks come, they have the capacity to respond.
Community Pass drives growth in agricultural economies by really focusing on the smallholder farmer. And what we do is drive productivity to that smallholder farmer. We give them access to authentic seeds, authentic fertilizers so that their yield goes up. We give them access to credit so that they can invest in their business. They're able to actually sell their goods on an open marketplace and have buyers compete for their offtake. This puts them in the position of having greater bargaining power.
I think this would be a wonderful way in which to improve the incomes and livelihoods of smallholder farmers in Kenya. I think a combination of this is what is going to deliver Africa's agricultural transformation and development.
Everyone has a role to play. For example, at Mastercard, we have the Priceless Planet Coalition, which is a commitment to restore 100 million trees. And through that, we've created a program that's not just about the restoration of the forest, but it's also about creating livelihoods. For example, in Colombia, we've restored to date, through one of our Priceless Planet Coalition projects, over 700,000 trees, and we've created over 1,700 income opportunities for individuals in the community.
So ladies and gentlemen, those two items can be connected and can maximize the potential of financial inclusion and climate impact. And that's why we are here tonight, because we're not to make pledges. We have demonstrated that we are able to do it, and we want more countries to follow the example of Colombia.
So these big challenges like climate change that you might feel you don't have control over, actually you have a voice and you can make a difference.